commerce, networking, and we try to guide you and we try to educate you on where and what you should invest on. We give you the right information. Once again, STEM 5.0. My name remains Henry Soribe. You guys are welcome. I want to thank all of you that are sharing our content, those of you that are leaving comments, whether positive or negative comments. Every comment is welcome. It will help to boost the channel. It will help to give you the right information. So I want to thank all of you that are following us on our social media angles, on our Facebook, on our Twitter, on our WhatsApp. We are very, very encouraged. We thank you, every one of you. You are wonderful and you guys are doing great. Now, like we have noticed, a lot of persons are following us. A lot of persons want us to do more review. From one of our commenters, somebody that comments, one of them asked that we do this review on Tradera. Now, who are Tradera? What is Tradera all about? Tradera is, from what we saw now, what we are seeing now, Tradera is a Forex company. It's a company that specializes on Forex. You know, of late, like what we have noticed, the Forex market is attracting a lot of persons. Forex market, especially here in Nigeria and Africa, Forex market is becoming the big thing. It's becoming the new oil well, and a lot of persons are going into it. A lot of persons are making fortune. Some are losing their fortune, and we are just here to present facts on most of these Forex firms that are attracting us. So Tradera is what we want to look at today. Is it a company that we should invest in? Is Tradera legit? Are they having a long-term perspective? You know, these are the things you look at for when you want to invest in any of these online businesses. So who are Tradera? Now, Tradera, like what we gathered, is a financial firm that is designed to empower investors. And how do they do that? They offer trading education. They send us signals for trading. They give you the stop loss, the profit margin, whatever tools that you need to be a successful trader. Tradera does that for you. They have a professional mentorship in their industry that train you. So they give basically trading information. They teach you how to navigate the financial market. That is Tradera. Now, Tradera was founded December 2019 by two ambitious traders, two young fellows. You know, this generation now, a lot of young people are leading the charge. A lot of young people are leading us in what we need to invest: Bitcoin, Forex, virtual money. That is what we are seeing these days. You know, like I keep saying, young people are wonderful. They are persons that they are a group of people that I love so much. So two young traders founded Tradera, and their name is Codicel and Eastern Harris. These two persons, 2019 December, founded Tradera. They found Tradera in the US, the United States of America, specifically Dallas, Texas. That is where Tradera was established, and that is where they are running their business. And what we saw again is that for Tradera, they are into multi-level marketing structure. That means they have a system where you refer people to them, you and their clients, they pay you for referrals. They have referrals compensation and your Forex trading compensation. So that is their structure. They have the structure for when you refer people to them, and they have a structure when you do trading in there. What does it take to be a client, or what does it take to get involved in Tradera? There are three ways you can get involved with them. They have the affiliate membership. The affiliate membership will cost you $15, and then in every 28 days you are to register, renew your membership with that same $15. And then they have client membership or customer membership. This will cost you $99, and for every 28 days you have to renew with $99. Then they have the premium membership. The premium membership makes you a affiliate membership and makes you a client membership. That will cost you $114, and for every 28 days you have this 100 and you renew with $114. Now this CEO, who are the CEO, Codicel and Eastern Harris. Now from our analysis on them, we, like, you know, when you do analysis, you have to look at the person's trade history. You have to look at the corporate history of those persons, and that is what we have done in all of our reviews. You know, you can go to our YouTube channel STM 5.0 and you see a lot of reviews there. All of this review will look at the history of those persons. Now we couldn't get much on the history of these two young guys, Codicel and Eastern Harris. You know, we have to send, as a group, STM 5.0, we have to send an email to them notifying them of our desire to run a review on them, and we ask for some legitimate questions like their corporate history, who are they, who owns that, who owns the company. They didn't reply that email, so we just present it the way we've seen it. So we already didn't see much on them. We didn't see their corporate history. We didn't get any testimonial. We didn't get where they have worked before. You know, these are the things you check when we run our review on Chimo. We check the guys in Chimo, and we didn't see any corporate history, and a lot of things that were said there, they are not something that can be authenticated. You know, a lot of the award that they said the guy won, the bench chair and the other guys, we couldn't get it. In China and in Malaysia, you don't even know anything about Chimo, Serimo, or whatever company. You know, those are the things that will look at those companies, and they say their rating is poor. You have to be a little bit careful. So we did that same thing with Codicel and Eastern Harris. We didn't get much on them. Now, for when you look at the authenticity of a site, that is the site being something that is authenticated, you look at some other sites, you try to compare. When we went to Scamdor, we found a very good trust score for them. They have 78% trust score. You know, when you look at eBay, Konga and the rest, you have some 99% trust score. You can go and look at our analysis on NBA Forex. You know, we're talking about the trust score of some other guys. So when you look at those trust score, give you some level of assurance. Now these guys, they have 78% trust score. Their website have HTTPS, which we have told you in one of our videos that HTTPS tells you that the website is a bit secure, not totally secure. You can go and look at how to detect fake website. We did that, and how to avoid yourself being hacked. So they have a good trust score, and then the website receive a lot of traffic. A lot of people are visiting them, doing business with them. The review, their review is missed, and then we saw that. Now when we look at some negative review on them, to some people that are raising eyebrows, what are those eyebrows that they have raised? One of them is the email, the registered email is not working. Like we told you, we send an email to them for them to reply some of these things we are reviewing here. They didn't reply, so it's not working. The technical email, when you have problem, you have technical support, it's not working, and the website owner seems to be hidden. You know, that is one big issue with all of these Forex guys. We really don't know who owns the company, and it's a big deal when you don't know who owns the company. You look at eBay, you know who owns eBay. You look at Amazon, you know it's Jeff Bezos that owns Amazon. You look at Microsoft, you know it's Bill Gates. You know, but most of these guys that are coming and asking for people to invest with them, they don't bring out themselves, and a lot of people, when they see that, they are a bit skeptical. And Scam Advisor give it a good score too, and then some other site gave it good review. One thing you need to know about Tradera is that Tradera shares the same name with another company called Tradera.org. Tradera.org is different from Tradera.com. We are looking at Tradera.org in this Forex company. Tradera.org is a Forex company. Tradera.com is an e-commerce company based in Sweden. They have products, they sell fashion and apparel products, so it's far different, and we shouldn't miss the issue. We are looking at Tradera.org. Now, in the overall, is Tradera a legitimate company? Is it a company that we can do business with? Now, on the positive side, Tradera is registered in the US. That does not mean that they are certified by FTC or maybe rating. They aren't certified by this US group, but they are registered in the US. The US authority will have a way of monitoring them, and I think that is what is driving Tradera. That's why people are doing business with them, but that should not lure anybody to invest with them. You do your own finding. Pennywise was registered, is a US company, it crashed, so you do your own finding.